The first thing you need to do is make sure you go ahead and find our school in Schoology app. What you're going to do is go ahead and search Grover Cleveland Charter High School. Once you find Grover Cleveland Charter High School, you're going to go ahead and click on the one that says 8590. You click on Go to SSO, and you click on your student. Enter your credentials, your email, and your password. And you'll have something like this that needs you to verify. Just go ahead and click on I am human and approve. From here, you're going to go to my course and go ahead and find the assignment. And you'll see there's an assignment called How to Make a PDF. Then we're going to go ahead and make the PDF with a different app. On your Notes app, you're going to go ahead and create a note. You're going to click on the bottom right corner, which is the Compose button. And from here, you're then going to go ahead and click on the camera button, where that is 3 icons from the right. Here, you're going to click on Scan Document. And from here, you're going to go ahead and take your picture. You do need to have 3 papers, 3 documents to go ahead and do this. It can be any papers at all, it does not matter which one. Once you have your 3 documents, you're going to make sure that they're clear. Click on Save 3 and make sure you have all 3. And then go ahead and click on Scan Document on the top left corner. You're going to click on Rename. And from here, you're going to name the assignment. You're going to title this assignment How to Make a PDF. Save it. And then from here, you click on the Export button, which is on the top right corner. You're going to then click on the Schoology app. If you don't see it here, you're going to click on where it says More. And for more, you're then going to go ahead and click on Schoology. In Schoology, it'll take you to the screen. You're going to go ahead and click on where it says Submit to Assignment. And here you click on the course that you're looking for, and then you click on the assignment that you're looking for.